In today's video, I'm going to teach you fixing Python is not recognized as a command error. If you've seen that message in command prompt or PowerShell, it usually means Windows doesn't know where your Python executable lives. We'll fix that by pointing Windows to the correct folder through your path environment variable, and we'll also make sure pip works. Start by opening the Windows search bar and typing Python. In the results, find the Python app, then right-click it and choose Open File Location. If what opens is just a shortcut, right-click that shortcut and choose Open File Location again. This takes you to the actual installation folder where you should see python.exe. If you don't see Python at all in search, it may not be installed yet. Install it first from the official website, then come back to these steps. With the python.exe folder open, click the address bar and copy the full folder path. This is the location we'll add to your path so Windows can find Python from any terminal. Now open the Start menu again and search for Edit the System Environment Variables. Open that. Then in the System Properties window, click the Environment Variables button. In the Environment Variables dialog, look under User Variables for an entry called Path, select it, and click Edit. Editing the user path keeps the change scope to your account, which is enough for most cases and doesn't require admin rights. In the path editor, click New and paste the folder path you copied from the python.exe location. Next, click New again to add the scripts folder so that commands like pip also work. The scripts folder is a subfolder next to python.exe. You can open it in File Explorer and copy its path, or simply use the same path with scripts at the end if you prefer. Adding both entries ensures that Python and pip are available everywhere. Click OK to close the path editor, OK to close environment variables, and OK again to exit system properties. These changes won't affect terminals that are already open, so make sure to fully close and then reopen any command prompt or PowerShell windows. After reopening, you should be able to run Python to start the interpreter. As a quick confidence check, Python version and pip R version should now return versions instead of an error. That's it. By locating python.exe, adding its folder and the scripts folder to your user path, confirming all dialogues, and restarting your terminal, you've resolved the Python is not recognized error on Windows.